New Year 2023, new haircut. Influenced by Netflix. Kasalanan to ng Netflix dahil first, si Wednesday Addams, may bangs. Next, si Emily in Paris, may bangs. Kaya ako, may bangs na din. Pero I like it. Ito first time ko na nagka-bangs, so Kuya Coco added green paint to the green toothpaste. Now he calls this
Super green! It's like Superman, Superman.
So this is how it looks like.
Christmas vacation is over. I'm back to my online class. I want to do it.
Mommy only.
Please.
Okay, a little bit, a little bit.
A little bit. I will do it.
Oh, fix your hair. We're still using this one. Human Nature Natural Shaper for Men.
First, I will set up my things.
So I'm just gonna put the books beside you, okay?
Good morning or good afternoon.
It's good afternoon. It's Monday.
Afternoon, teacher. Good afternoon, classmates.
So these are Kuya Coco's books. Excited to be back?
Yes. Hi.
So we ordered barbecue. These are native chicken barbecue. You want to eat chicken barbecue?
Yes.
Eh?
I am.
Pork barbecue. Mac Doko Doko in Tagum City. about Sky? Do you want to eat? So, I just want to share with you guys what are the lotions I use. So, ito, sometimes ginagamit ko ito. This is St. Ives Hydrating Vitamin E and Avocado Body Lotion. Ito talaga usually ang ginagamit ko. This is the Jergens Ultra Healing. I discovered this because of my sister. My sister has super sensitive skin. And then her doctor recommended this lotion to her. So, I decided, why not me? So, if she has super sensitive skin, ako may super duper dry skin. So, I tried this and it really works. I like it. So, these two, Kuya Coco and me made this. Pero, hindi pa siya. It needs more time pa. It's only 1 day and a half. So this one, I will surprise him. I made this on my own with a body wash and a little bit of water. So I will store it again inside the fridge. It needs more time pa. Maybe on the next vlog, we can show you the finished slime.